Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about Oppo phone setting guys. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you check your device name in your Oppo phone. Guys, you want to check your phone device name in your Oppo phone, so then how can you check and how can you use guys your phone device setting? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, we will turn on our phone setting to check phone device name. So when after phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting guys, you will have to scroll it and scroll it. Then guys, you can see your about phone setting and tap here. Guys, click on your device name setting friends. You can see your device name is Oppo A9 guys. My device name Oppo A9 2020 guys. So like that guys, you can check your phone device name, and guys you want to rename this device name, you can rename from here guys. So like that guys, you can check your phone device name, and you want to rename, you can rename also. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet a next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.